So we've got a CPR special here. This is a budget build, LS1 top end. So LS1 intake, 243 are CNC ported heads, flat top pistons and rods, stock crank, stock throttle body, stock injectors. This thing's basically real streetable, mild budget build, and customer wanted to just drive it, check out what it does. And this is through a stock LS1 intake, stock throttle body, as you can see. This thing's getting restricted big time, but pump gas, 556 horsepower at 6,600, and 490 foot-pounds of torque. It's very respectable there for your budget build.